the problem we have is we need to be able to export data gathered in PowerShell into a file. There are quite a few ways of doing this, but we're going to focus specifically on two. The first sample is we're going to check to see if we already have a file in place. It's a CSV. If it exists, then we're going to import that content into memory, into basically an array. Then we're going to go through a loop, and you see in sample 1, details array, we're just going to get the environment computer name, the OS, username on that system, and the domain associated, along with the date. And then we're going to store the results, export-csv, path report, which we created up here, info.csv. So let's start with sample number 1. And I created, since the file was already there, so you can see it just ran it about a minute ago, ran it again, and now we see the information. Let's go sample number 2. In this specific instance, we're going to connect to a remote system. We're going to dump the information basically related to username and group that they're connected to into an array. But what we're going to do in this aspect is only dump one of the fields directly into the array, where you can use the .name field. Let's go ahead and run sample number 2. And now it opened up the list. And here we are actually going to be using this for a dictionary attack for password cracker. So if you like the code, here's the code.